the next day.
Alright, so these are all the 3D printed parts and they came out really well. For the electronics, I am using this well-tested ESP Now remote that I have already used in many of my previous projects, along with this custom controller PCB that I had manufactured by JLC PCB. Now let me show you how I built it. I started this project by designing the circuit in EasyEDA, converting it into a PCB layout and exporting the Gerber files. Then I uploaded them to glcpcb.com to order the boards. Big thanks to JLC PCB for sponsoring this video. JLC PCB is one of the most reliable and affordable PCB manufacturers out there. They offer everything from standard and multi-layer PCBs to advanced 6-layer PCBs, flex PCBs, PCB assembly and SMT stencils. Using 6 layers really helps in complex designs. It gives more routing freedom, cleaner signal paths and saves a lot of time. Ordering is very simple, just upload your Gerber files, select your PCB specifications and place your order in a minute. The interface is beginner friendly and gives you instant pricing. After just a few days, the PCBs arrived well packed and with top-notch quality. Right now they are also running a limited time deal, 6-layer PCB for just $2 along with a $30 coupon. You can check the link in the description. Now that the PCB is ready, it's time to upload the code. You will find both the transmitter and receiver code in the description. If you want the full coding process, you can refer to that video as well. Alright guys, it's working perfectly. Now let's assemble the project. Before we continue, a big shout out to Altium for sponsoring today's video. Altium is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, Altium has something truly valuable for you, Altium Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the Altium Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build.